Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all a-okay today. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial that's going to be a red and gold. Red is my favourite colour, especially to do as makeup on the eye. And then I'm going to be doing a bit of a gold spotlight-esque sort of thing. Basically, you guys would have seen it from the thumbnail and the little intro, so what's the point of me even doing this intro? I don't know. But if you guys are interested in getting a look from the thumbnail or just getting ready with me, then please keep watching. Just keep that tied behind my head for now so that it's not in my way. I'm going to go in and start by priming my face. As always, I will be using my Decay B6 Vitamin Infused Complexion Prep Spray. I love this stuff so much. And then I'm going to be mixing these two as well. This is the Too Faced Hangover X Replenishing Face Primer. This is the Inglot AMC Face and Body Illuminator in the shade 66. And then I'm just going to apply those mixed together with a brush to my face. And then finally I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Step 1 Smoothing Primer and just apply that to my cheek, under eye, nose area. I'm going to go in and fill in my brows. As always, I will skim through this and leave my tutorial in the down bar down below. I will be using MAC's Fluid Line in Deep Dark Brunette. So I'm actually going to move on and do my skin first because I feel like the eye hopefully should be okay. I mean, it's a red Smokey. What's the worst that could happen? Foundation, I'm going to be mixing my favourite combination, which is the Fenty Beauty. I'm in the shade 240 and it's the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And the Too Faced Born This Way Foundation in Sand. Mixing those two together. Amazing foundation combo. And then I'm just going to apply them together with my Morphe sponge. I'm pretty sure it's a Flawless Beauty sponge. I can't remember off the top of my head. I love this thing though. Oh my god, I own two. And I feel like I need more. I haven't reached for a beauty blender ever since I got this. I kid you not. Look at that foundation combo. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I obsess over this combination far too much. I mean, I know you're not meant to say it about yourself, but shit, my skin looks good. I love this foundation combo. Like, if there was a foundation that was identical to this, it'll be mine. And then I'm going to be taking the NARS Multiple in Vientiane. I always know it in my head and I can just never get it out of my mouth. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just going to pop this around my temples, cheekbones, underlip and nose. And then first, just with a smaller brush, just to do the underlip and nose. Then just with a Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, Contour Brush. Oh, what's it called? I think it is Contour Brush actually. I'm just gonna blend that out. You know, if a brush is called something, will you only use it for that purpose? So if this is a contour brush, would you ever use it for like concealer? Would you use it for foundation? Would you use it for under eye powder? Oh, what a good brush. Do you know what I mean? I'm then going to take something that's new, which I'm really, really excited about. These are the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealers. I have two shades, Light Warm and Medium Neutral. I'm going to mix both of them because I am quite tanned. It's Fresh Day Tan. So this is the darker one. I'm just going to pop that just on the under eyes, and I'm going to use that to do the forehead and the chin. I mean, I never do the chin, but I think if it's a darker colour I wouldn't mind. And then with a lighter one down the sides of my nose and under my eye, and then just to emphasise that bit, tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, and then, oh, I should have put the medium one there as well, my bad. Well, we'll see what happens. So then when you look super cute, just go in with your damp beauty blender again and just blend it out. I'm always going to call this a beauty blender, I don't care. It's just what I've been trained to do all my life. Yeah, I should have gone in with a medium one under my contour, to be fair. because I always go over it again anyway with like my foundation side of the sponge. So that was my badness. I'm so restless when it comes to like sleep time, and it's really annoying because I love to sleep so much. But I've just been awake at like 9 AM like every day, which to me is really, really early. I know to some people that's a lie, but to me that's really early. Especially when I go to sleep at like 3 AM in the morning. So, I've just been having restless night's sleep. Like I lay in bed and I'm just like, my mind, my body, everything is so tired, but like, I just can't get comfortable. I can't go to sleep. Jesus, this is coverage. Oh, wow. If you weren't so matte, you'd be my new favourite. Oh well, fuck it, you are now. You're gonna be my new favourite. The usual suspect MAC loose foundation in extra light, and then this is just a Sephora number 79 brush, just to pat all this in, just dab everywhere that we went with the concealer. I don't set the rest on my face, just the places that we went with the concealer. I want to be like the Bob Ross of beauty. If you guys know who Bob Ross is, I love him. Well, he was a painter. Sadly, he's passed away now. But like, if you watch him, like, he's just so gentle. And in all honesty, like, he's just, oh, he was such a kind soul. But yeah, that's what I want to aspire to be. I want to be as kind as Bob Ross. I'm just going to take the NYX brow set. We'll be taking this bad boy. This is the Morphe 35o2 palette. Looks a little something like this inside. When I hauled this, I said that it pretty much looked like the same shade, just like darker and darker. So I'm gonna try and use as many of these shades as I can. Personally, when I use a palette, if I do a tutorial using just one palette, I like to use loads of shades just to show you guys what they all look like. You don't have to use every single one of these shades. And if you don't have this palette, just use similar ones. I'm first going to go in with the shade Universal, which is the very, very first shade in the palette. This is a Morphe, no it's not, it's a crown brush. It's a C441 crown brush. It's just a large, fluffy brush basically. I wouldn't recommend these brushes because it just feels like someone is continuously stabbing you with tiny, tiny little needles. This brush kills, but I still use it because it's just nice and big and fluffy. Oh, I do want to take this quite blown out. If you can see, I'm taking it like that point of the eye. If you don't want to make it as blown out as me, that's fine. I'm just really in the mood for like a super blown out eye. And then I'm just going to drag that Universal on the lower lash as well. Then with that same brush, I'm going to go in the shade one below it. It's called Flux. I would have gone in with those two, but that one, and that one kind of like merged together as one to me. So I'm just going to go in with Flux. Same brush again. I'm going to mix a bit of Ablaze, which is this one here, and Brick, which is that one there. This is on a Zoeva 221 Look Soft Crease. There we go. Let's get that warmth in there. Then I'm going to take Heat, which is this baby there, and same brush, and I'm just going to do this over the lid and crease area. And then the one that I'm most excited about is this one here. It's called Fire. And first off, I'm going to take out the MAC 242. Just dab it on the lid area. I know we said we're doing a spotlight, but it's going to be with glitter, so it's fine. And it's not going to be like a structured spotlight. It's more of like a point. The glitter I'm going to use is from Voss. It's called Hella Amazing, and it's just like a gold. What I'm going to do is spray that 242, and then where my crease is, so where I want to, I'm going to make a bigger line going around it. Okay, this isn't how I want it, so I might have to go in with an adhesive. The other side of that 242, I'm just going to press where I want the glitter to stay. As always, I'm going to leave the eyes for a sec and come back to them after and finish this skin. I'm going to go in with this NARS Laguna Tiare bronzer. It's the Laguna one, but it's a bit different. It's got a shimmer in it and it smells incredible. Ooh, girl! No ma'am, not today. No, no, we're changing. That's not, that's not what we asked for, sir. YSL Bronzing Stones one. And this is the Morphe M402 brush. Then I'm going to take Illamasqua's Lover Blush. Pop some of that on. Tap, tap. For highlight, I'm first going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Glow Stick. And then just on that Morphe sponge, I'm just going to pop it on my cheeks like so. And then just because we've done a gold on the eye, I'm going to take a gold highlight, if I can get into it. This one is Kiko's number 208 eyeshadow. And then just whack this everywhere. Imagine if Kiko brought this out as like a full size like highlight rather than just the eyeshadow. Yes. That's what I live for. That glow is why I'm here. And then just taking that on a smaller brush just under the brow bone. I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay Sheer Makeup Setting Spray. They fixed the nozzle. Thank good gosh. And then I always just bounce that in. The sponge I've used, my Beauty Blender Morphe one, whatever it's called. I don't care. This is the Balm Mr. Right Now liner in the shade Brian. Then I'm going to go in, curl my lashes and mascara and falsies, and I'll let you know the falsies when I get back. The lashes that I went for were Lilly lashes, and I'm pretty sure they're called Goddess, I think. Yeah. And I went over really lightly with a liquid liner just over the lash band, which I kind of regret doing, but it's been done now. Yeah, let's finish off. Oh, yeah, these are the completed eyes. So it's kind of just like, it's not a spotlight, but it's kind of like, ooh, glitter. She did glitter today. This is Kiko lip liner in the shade 315. Then I'm going to take Anastasia liquid lipstick in Milkshake. I feel like all these tones are really wrong. This is like my perfect nude lip, but it really doesn't go with this eye, but right now I don't care. So then guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. But if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. You can always switch the lip around for something that matches a little more. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling the really cool Morphe lip and then the really warm red eye. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!